Hello, everybody. I just wanted to do a quick video that may turn into a long video. We'll see how this goes. But talking about an exciting new update that we had just the other night in the Home Business Academy. The Home Business Academy is a place where we've been paying out 80% recurring commissions to affiliates for the last 10 years. And during that length of time, our two owners, Mike Hobbs and Paul Hutchings, have been trying to figure out ways to make the sales process a lot easier for affiliates so that affiliates can make sales more easily and make money from home more easily. And what they came up with and announced just last night, for me, is a definite game changer. Because in addition to people complaining about, I would like to make more money, well, we've solved that problem by paying out 80% recurring commissions. So with our products, you make two sales, you are already in profit. But another problem that people have in the industry of affiliate marketing is that either I don't know how to make sales, and this would be the newcomers coming in, and even amongst the people with a little bit of experience under their belt, I've heard people say that I'm not that good at closing the sale. I don't know how to close the deal. I don't know how to close sales. One guy was saying, I've been building rapport with people for 4 years. They still haven't bought from me. And what we've launched in the Home Business Academy is something that is going to be a definite game changer. What we've added to the sales page of our main offer is an AI virtual sales assistant called Sage. And what this is, it's a bot that's been programmed by Mike and Paul. They both have 20 years experience in the field of affiliate marketing and network marketing, and they programmed all the information and a lot of their skills into Sage, our AI virtual sales assistant. And they demonstrated this last night, and it was a mind blower for me, just watching how the process played out. But what your prospects can do when they visit your sales page, when you join the Home Business Academy, they can access Sage, our virtual sales assistant, and then ask any questions that they would like. And what Sage does, she does a very good professional job of answering the client's questions or the potential client's questions, doing it honestly and accurately, and then asking them a follow up question to take them to the next stage of the sales or the buying process. And what they've even gone so far as to program Sage to be able to close the deal when the time comes to close the deal. So you may know nothing about sales, or you may not be the best salesperson on the planet, but with our virtual sales assistant called Sage on your sales page, you don't have to be that good of a salesperson. Sage can, deal with your clients for you, deal with your prospects for you, and answer their questions, take them from point A to point B, and if they're interested, even go so far as to close the deal for you while you're laying in bed sleeping. So all you have to do is pretty much just get people to go to your page, take a look, ask Sage a few questions if they are interested in what they see on the sales page, and Sage will be your virtual AI sales assistant that works for you. I was chatting with Sage last night, just kind of testing her out myself. And I mean, I've worked with Grok over on X, Grok AI. I'm very impressed with that. Chat GPT, I've worked with that AI, very impressed with that. Gemini, Meta AI, all that. Sage is just as good, I believe, as those other AIs, only she is specialized to be dealing with selling the Home Business Academy and answering questions about affiliate marketing and network marketing. So, if you are wanting to build a business from home in affiliate marketing, this can be a very lucrative area to be building in if you want to learn and get good at making sales. But now, with our virtual AI assistant, you don't even have to be that good at making sales. Our virtual AI sales assistant can help you out in that process and help do a lot of that work for you. So if you want to check it out, go to my link program description down below. It's ralphshomebiz.com/triple heart. And if you can't find it for any reason, reach out to me. Be more than happy to send you my link. But yeah, check it out. We've got 3 offers that pay 80% recurring commissions. We got a $10 offer, pays $8 recurring commissions. We've got a $25 offer, pays $20 recurring commissions. And we got a $125 offer that pays $100 recurring commissions. Go to that link, check it all out, meet our community, meet our owners, meet Sage, and ask any questions that you would like. And if you'd like to join, be more than happy to have you in our home business family. So, hey, it's Ralph signing out. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.